Take any empty bottle and wash it properly. Using paper tape for marking. Applying white color with the help of sponge. Let it dry after first coat. Applying second coat. Let it dry and remove the tape. Fill the remaining part with golder paint. Let it dry. Using leafing. It'll lock the color and the paint. Now you can decor it the way you like. I just want to keep it ASAP. It's looking so elegant. I hope you like this cute video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.